I must start with saying how absolutely delighted I am to be able to address you this afternoon on your first day of a new term as we celebrate the pursuit of academic excellence through learning grounded in faith. A Dominican education is one of formation, the formation of minds and hearts so that we may grow to be people who accept Christ's invitation to shape a world of love and justice for all. What a privilege it is, therefore, for me to join you in this community as principal when we have such a hope-filled vision for education at Santa.
So when reflecting on my academic journey this year and in years prior, I have found that much of my success has stemmed from my endeavours outside of the classroom. I'm a learner in all aspects of my life, changing and growing as I absorb new knowledge and adapt to new skills. And the attributes I gain are applied to my academics and life in general. I hope that after congratulating the award recipients today, we can all reflect on what has defined our academic journey thus far, how much we've grown and changed, but also how much growing and changing we still have to do. I encourage everyone to try something new, say yes to opportunity, and take risks to gain new knowledge, as you never know what it can do for you.